When talking about porch light in our modern society, porch lights are one of the most popular equipment in our society today, but we don't talk about them. They light up our streets, they light up our front yard. So it is important to think about a porch light that could save you energy. That way, when they are not working, they're saving you some energy and your bill is reduced. So in today's video, we have found a porch light that is suitable for all homes in America and all over the world that can save energy while they work. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Click the share and like button and even consider subscribing. Thanks for liking the video and sharing it. Now, let's proceed to reviewing the product that I have for us today. And the amazing product I have for us today is the Hampton Bay small exterior light, and come with me to go unpack what's in the box. This product, Hampton Bay small exterior motion sensing wall lantern, black finish with a clear glass shade, is very suitable for most porches around America. It has features like suitable for a wet location. It's protected because the head is facing down. It's very known for motion activated features, and it uses a standard bulb up to 60 watts, but the bulb is not included. This is just a picture of it. It's called the Hampton Bay, and the dimension of this small exterior light is 6.6 in depth, and it's 9.5 inches high. It's 4.5 inches in diameter for the mounting bracket. Now let's get to know what's inside this box. A round of applause. Blah. Look at that. That right there is the motion sensor, the mount that goes on the wall, and it's gonna go like this. This is what they meant by rain or stuff is coming on here. You see how the rain cannot get inside? That's a very good thing. That's one advantage over the old porch lights. The old porch lights are like this. If you're familiar with the old porch lights that are facing up like this, you will know what I'm talking about. With time, foreign objects settles in there, and it becomes a problem for the continuity of the electrical current. But with this Hampton Bay porch light, that problem is solved because you're gonna install it facing down like this. So whatever goes in there from beneath is only the air. Alright, so enough said about this awesome product. Now let's go install it. And before you proceed, make sure you've turned off the circuit breaker, you've turned off the switch, and make sure you have your protective gear on. Right, take your eyes at all times, wear your gloves at all times, and make sure you have your electrical tester with you. Test it. Alright, they're all dead. There we go. We got the old one out. I'll take off the screw over here. I'm gonna install the mounting bracket first. So we have our white, we have our black, and we have our ground. So we're not going to need this red cable
since this is by itself, it's not controlling any other light, this is by itself right here, so we're not gonna need this red cable. All right, because this red cable is there for if this light is controlling another light, then you will need to use this. So right now we don't need this, so we're gonna leave it back in there. We'll tuck it back in, but we definitely need the red, the black, the white, and the ground, okay? Because that's what we have: the black, the white, the black cable, the white cable, and the brown cable. See, it's not gonna work, so we have to take off this mounting bracket and use the mounting bracket that came with this one. Alright, so that's what we're gonna do now. Old bracket out, new bracket going in.
I get too many things, yeah, with it, but I mean, yeah, with it, but I mean, bad mind like no stress, no energy. We outside, yeah, no fugazi, yeah. I get too many things, yeah, with it, but I mean, yeah, with it, but I mean, bad mind like no stress, no energy. We outside, yeah, no fugazi, yeah.
So you get the white to white, then you get the black to black, black to black, and ground to ground.
Ọ̀rọ̀ ya pa tí mo fẹ́ sọ, kì í ṣá máa jayé kí n máa flẹ́ńjọ. Já èlò, mi àsápá no compatible. Wishing yẹn máa kárí o, mi àgẹ́jọ́ dá no stand alone. See my vibe fit to make you try.
It works. So there you go, you have it. That's how to install it. So let's test the motion sensor part of it. I'm behind this camera and I'm gonna wave my hand and I'm gonna see if it works. Okay, it works, and I'm gonna 1 minute is the delay time if there's no movement. See, so it stops. I'm gonna wave it again. There you go, it works. So we have it installed correctly.
So my beautiful watchers and my handsome watchers, that is how to install the Hampton Bay exterior motion sensor light. And don't forget, if that exterior motion sensor light is going to be installed by itself, you do not need to connect that red cable that came with it. Now, if that motion sensor light, right, one of the advantages it has is that it can be connected to control another outside light. Imagine if you have a very big square foot to cover and you need that to control all the lights, then the features to make that exterior light control other lights is included in the equipment, and that is that red cable. So in my case, my square footage is very small. I just need that one exterior light to be out there sensing everything for me and saving energy at the same time. So I do not need to connect that red cable, okay? And if you connect everything at first and if it doesn't work, change the sensor back to 1 minute and change the sensibility to high, okay? And it will work. All right, so ladies and gentlemen, thanks for watching. Just click the subscribe button over there, like the video, and share it to everybody. Okay, let's share this kind of video to everybody so we can conserve energy.